Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best makeup train cases that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yaheetech 3-in-1 Professional Rolling Makeup Train Case. The special thing about this makeup case is that it comes with 4 detachable wheels as well as a handle for conveniently pull and transport. The strap can also be attached to the upper portion so you can carry the upper case on your shoulder. It also comes with a handle for easy lifting on the very top of the cart. On top of that, it is a perfect organizer because it features many dividers that fit in every retractable tray and also the detachable middle storage, which makes your life easier when you want to organize your cosmetics. There are also large top and bottom storage that not divided into small storages, so you can store bigger product, for example hair dryer or brush. On top of that, it is constructed with high-quality plastic case that protect the corner with aluminum and metal. It also has 4 lockable clamps on the top with 4 keys. Furthermore, you can load up this thing up to 30 kg. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Relavel Cosmetic Bag Brush Makeup Train Case. This cosmetic case is made of high-quality Oxford fabric which is very durable, water-resistant and easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about damage. Moreover, this product has 5 elastic bands fit for hair curler or other bigger products. On top of that, it has 1 zipper bag and 1 amazing zipper pocket and 12 makeup brushes slots attached with a plastic cover which give all of your fine brushes a secure place to store. Moreover, the makeup case comes in adjustable dividers and you can move the partitions as needed so you can fit more stuff as your heart desires. Furthermore, it features with a shoulder strap which you can wear as a shoulder bag or backpack. You can also attach it to trolley case. Plus, this makeup case is the perfect size for carry all your makeup cosmetics accessories. At number 3, we have the Joligrace with Mirror Train Case. The makeup train case features improved cantilever structure, come with 3 of cosmetic trays and 1 mirror stick on the top tray that gives convenience, and it also has removable brush holder. This makeup case also comes with a secure latch lock. This makeup case attached with small traditional dark diamond cube for making an elegant look and an easy cleaning, as well as stain-proof because of its high-quality abs stuff. The makeup train case features improved cantilever structure, come with 3 of cosmetic trays and 1 mirror stick on the top tray that gives convenience, and it also has removable brush holder. This makeup case also comes with a secure latch lock. This makeup case attached with small traditional dark diamond cube for making an elegant look and an easy cleaning, as well as stain-proof because of its high-quality abs stuff. At number 2, we have the MOSTINA 3-layer train case. The size of this bag is 31 by 14 by 42 centimeters tall and weighs 1.8 kilograms, which provide you a large storage capacity for your beauty products. This bag is the most perfect size for you because you can fit all of your cosmetic products in this bag, and it is very lightweight to carry around. It also comes in a lot of slots for your makeup brushes you would use. On top of that, this bag features a shoulder strap which you can throw on and wear as a shoulder bag for when all of your hands are full. It is made of Oxford cloth fabric material which is very durable and easy to clean. And finally, at number 1, we have the Joligrace Makeup Train Case Professional. You can organize all of your lipsticks, foundation, and eyeshadow palettes. The overall size is 14 inches by 11 inches by 8.43 inches. On top of that, all 6 trays in the case can be customized and adjust to your preferences into various sized makeup so that they don't spill. Moreover, it features very deep bottom compartment to provide you easy access to the bottom. You can also adjust the bottom by removing the dividers to contain larger items. Not to mention, it features a heavy-duty strap and safe lock that buckle in place with keys for privacy. It is built with durable aluminum frame and reinforced corners to last you a long time for daily uses. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.